am Shikhar Nehru from nfsportec.com. We are a sports equipment and infrastructure solution company. We are also inclined towards using technology in solving problems related to sport. Before the spread of COVID pandemic in the world, although the Indian economy was struggling and sports companies in general were not growing, we were rapidly growing our customer base. However, obviously when the pandemic hit us, things did get shut and we were also affected. During lockdown, we spent this time in connecting with our customers. We started this campaign called Stay Ready. The idea behind the campaign was very relevant. We wanted athletes, or we wanted to share a message with the athletes out there that the pandemic is a temporary situation. This will end at some point. And when it does end, you should not be found rusty when you get back to your sport. So the idea was to, although when they were at home and they did not have the facilities to train or practice with the same intensity that they were used to, but as much as possible, they could do things that allowed them to remain connected with their sport physically and mentally. The campaign was very well received. A lot of athletes participated. We also started Expert Talk. Expert Talk is a session where we invite some of the best brains of the industry to come and share their experiences. These experiences, and it is in a form of an interview or a Q&A, is broadcasted live, which is available for our viewers. We have done over 10 episodes of Expert Talk now, and it has been very well received. And we would like to continue this even after. As the country enters Unlock Phase 1, we as a company have diversified our product offerings into other products like personal fitness and less contact sports like archery. We are also working closely with our manufacturing facilities and sports academies to suggest them best practices in personal hygiene and social distancing. Thank you, and I wish you all the best.